we... Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! What? Oh my God! It's terrorist attack! Guys, what do we do? Mom, another plane just crashed into otherworld.
But for Evan Fairbanks, this is the image that will haunt him and us for the rest of our lives.
The image of that plane just coming out of nowhere, coming into the frame and disappearing into the south side of the tower, as if a floor had been hollowed out and it was a hangar that it was just landing in. We've seen these images in movies and we know that it's all artificial, and Hollywood makes it. And it's hard to put together that it's real this time.
The end of the earth is upon us. Pretty soon, it'll all turn to dust. Go 1,000 miles in a jet airplane. Go 1,000 miles in a jet airplane. Go out of your mind, go insane. To a place that you've never been before. Because the end of the earth